Okay, in this tutorial I am going to show you how to poke a face in Maya. So let's get started. Take a polygon sphere, increase the radius to 2, go to edge selection mode, select all the edges, go to create set, create a selection set. Now go to face selection mode, double click on the faces, press shift on your keyboard, right click, click poke face, select the set one from the outliner, press delete. Now select all the face, click extrude, turn off the keep face together option and extrude them slightly, just like this. Press delete, go to object mode, click extrude and give them a thickness, type here 0.1. Go to object mode, right click, assign new material, select blend, change the blend color to red and move this one here. Take a polygon torus, increase the radius to 2, go to edge selection mode, select all the edges, go to create set, create a selection set, go to face selection mode, select all the faces, shift right click, click poke face, right click, select all the member from the set 2, press delete, go to object mode, select all the faces, click extrude, turn off keep face together option and click on this square bar and scale the face slightly, just like this. Press delete, go to object mode, again click extrude and extrude them slightly. Again go to object mode, go to mesh display, click reverse, right click, assign new material or assign the existing material blend 1 and move this one back. Take a platonic solid, go to channel box, change subdivision mode quads to triangle, give subdivision to 6, radius type here 4 or 3, go to edge selection mode, select all the edges, create set, create a selection set, go to face selection mode, select all the faces, shift right click, poke face, select the set 3 from outliner, select the members, press delete. Now select all the faces, click extrude, turn keep face together off, square bar option and scale them slightly, just like this. Press delete, go to object mode, extrude and give a thickness, go to object mode, mesh display, click reverse, right click, assign new material, select font, change the font color to this color. This is the basic poking process of a face in Maya. So thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.